Welcome to AI with Harry, where we take complex tech and make it easy for you. Today, we're diving into something powerful, ComfyUI installation on Pinocchio OS. Let's get you set up with this cutting-edge AI tool. The first thing, we need to download Pinocchio for our system. Now open the Google and type Pinocchio and open the first link. Now click on download button and then press download for Windows if you have Windows, otherwise Mac. Once it's downloaded, just extract the zip folder and install it. The Pinocchio icon will pop on your desktop. After the installation, just click on Setting and set the Install on directory for Pinocchio apps. Now click on View Discovery page and click on ComfyUI and press the lime color download button. Now click on Install button and wait for downloading all dependencies. This will take some time. Now a white pop shows, just click on OK and then click on Download button. Now press the Install button. Now this will take some time to download CUDA and other main files for running ComfyUI. After this, ComfyUI will be installed. The ComfyUI is installed successfully on your system. Now I load the model and then try to generate the simple image. The image is successfully generated. If I get 20 likes on this video, then in the next video I will teach you how to generate videos like this. Now like the video and do subscribe if you want more videos like this.